Walking reward apps only work if they fit into movement you're already doing. If you're forcing extra miles just to earn, the payout usually isn't worth it. The best ones turn your normal steps into rewards. By the end of this, you'll know 5 legit apps that pay you for walking, what each one is best for, and how to combine them for better results. Start with EEA's Wetcoin. This is still the most recognized walking rewards app. It tracks outdoor steps and converts them into its own reward currency. The main reason people use it is simplicity. Install it, walk, and build rewards in the background. Second is Enye Cashwalk. This one is more direct. You walk, earn coins, and exchange them for gift cards. The app is simple, and that makes it easier if you don't want complicated reward systems. Third is Jinyevidation. This app connects walking data from your phone or fitness tracker. What makes it different is that it combines steps with other health-related activities, which gives you more ways to earn. Now the app's built around challenges. Stepetai works differently. Instead of passive rewards, you bet on your own step goals. If you hit them, you split the pot with other winners. It's more active, but the system keeps people consistent. Winwalking rounds out the list. This app rewards daily step milestones with coins that can be redeemed for gift cards. It's straightforward and doesn't require extra tasks. Here's what actually matters. Walking apps pace slowly. That's normal. The smart move is stacking. Use EEA Sweatcoin and Enye Cashwalk at the same time. Track the same steps across both. Connect Yevidation if you use a smartwatch. That turns one walk into multiple reward streams. That's how you make these apps worth it. Quick recap. Best overall walking app. Wang's Wetcoin.k. Best simple gift card app. Why Cashwalk Dora. Best health tracking hybrid. Yevidation Bonteso. Best for challenge-based motivation. Stepetai. Dorothy. The practical next step is simple. Install 2 walking apps today and run them side by side for 1 week. Compare how they track your steps, how fast rewards build, and which rewards actually matter to you. That tells you fast which one deserves to stay on your phone. If this helped you turn your steps into something useful, like the video, and subscribe for more.